Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this series of Python tutorial we are going to see string concatenation and string multiplication in Python. So string concatenation is nothing but concatenating two or more strings into one single object, and string multiplication is repeating same string n number of times. So let's see all these things programmatically. So let's open the IDE. Now we have one string str1 equals to Python, and we also have another string str2 equals to say developer. Now we want to concatenate these two string Python and developer into a single string and store it into a new string variable, that is str3. So we have to write like str3 equals to str1 plus str2. So here plus is the concatenation operator which combine these two string and store it into str3 variable. So let's see what is the value of str3. So print str3. So you can see that Python and developer are concatenated to a single string, that is str3. So this is called string concatenation. Now let's see string multiplication. So as I say that string multiplication is nothing but repeating same string in number of times. So let's see, we have one string st equals to say program. Now we want to repeat this string program say 3 times, so we have to write and also we want to store the result into another variable. So let's write st1 equals to st into 3. So the same string will repeat 3 times and the result will be stored in the variable st1. So let's print st1. Now you can see the value, that is program is printed 3 times. So this is called string multiplication. So that's all for today. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you can stay updated with the latest video update. Thank you.